What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee here, right there. All right, so I want to show you guys the headlight doesn't work on this car. Didn't put on the headlights yet. Let me maybe gotta turn the key. Where's the key? Alright, just trying to check the headlight. I want to show you guys, and I'm going to show you how to change this bulb. Okay, this is a low beam. So as you can see, this is working, but this is not working. So let's go back inside, turn this off. To change this bulb, it might look difficult. Okay, there's no space here, can't get in there. Most commonly, your bulb will go out. Don't pay attention to other people. Some mechanic will tell you electrical trouble. First thing you want to do is change the bulb. So this looks like something I would take off, but no, don't even touch that. Just grab this right here and just lift it up. I'm going to show you what's holding this thing down, and then once you lift it up, just pull out just like that. So simply, this little guy is hooked onto the light right there. But if you want to take the light further, all you need to do is probably remove some stuff and take this off. The light will come a little bit forward, but you don't even need to do that. Okay, from right over here, if you put your hand right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab that bulb. That's the bulb all the way in there. Let me put my light here, because that light can make a little difference. Right there. So now in here, you simply gonna, this bulb, I turned it already. I made a mistake. So this bulb is gonna be like that. So what you're gonna do is, if you can right now, you're gonna turn this counterclockwise if you're looking from the back. So just turn it and the bulb will come out. And let's see if you can manage to take off the connector or bring the whole light out here. With one hand, I might not be able to, but with two hands, once the bulb is out here, I want to just get it to come out right over here. There it is. So the bulb size right in the back, it will tell you if there's a bulb size here. If other than that, I'll just go grab one. So what you're gonna do next is, you just hook up the camera right here. So pretty much, these two little guys, you're gonna lift them both, and the bulb should come out. If you lift both of these, come on, there you go. You just pull it really hard and it will come out. So the bulb, I can even see the flare inside is blown. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna get another bulb. I do have a bulb that I ordered for this car. There's no part number here in this one, but check out my RC channel. It's called the RC King Kong. So what we're gonna do next is, we're gonna take this little guy, and I've ordered two bulbs. I like to keep things in stock. 9006, that's the bulb size, 9006. So what we're gonna do here is, you never want to touch the flare on the bulb. So let me use this, and I'm gonna hold on to it. So pretty much these little earlobes, you're gonna have to line in there, and then you're gonna turn counterclockwise. So without me putting the connector, let's go in there. I'm gonna take this bulb in there, and remember, once we pulled it off, it was in this position. So try to get in the same position. Try to remember that position, and then you just simply turn it. And now we're gonna take our connector, and all we're gonna do is push this connector onto the bulb. Try to route it the same way under that little line that I had. That will be more comfortable for the wiring. And there you go. Let's go and turn the light. Bada bing. I can already see the reflection. We got a working bulb. And next what you do is, you take this little guy, you stick it back to its position right here. You get it under this, You stick it in there and you close it up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you on the next one.